Welcome to Redware and our demo of our new Xero connector for Microsoft CRM. Here we have Microsoft CRM. Here we have Xero, and the nice thing about Xero is you can easily set up a demo system, which we can do like just by pressing this reset button here, and that's what we've just done. So we've got a fresh demo company here to see how it operates, and we have the software here. It's not cloud software, it runs on a PC. The reason for that is we can use the same software for all our connectors. We have a connector for Sage 50, and there's more connectors coming soon. So let's have a look at CRM. Our philosophy is to use the fields that are already in CRM, and we use relationship type here and account number. You'll see as we create an invoice, it's going to push these account details through into Xero and then set the account number and relationship type into that field. I've already created an invoice here. We have just the standard invoice details. And let's just have a quick look at the invoice itself, and we'll see in this instance we're actually specifying the VAT in here, but we could specify override the VAT and the nominal ledger. So all the way through you can override the VAT and the nominal ledger, or the account code as they call it in Xero. You can override it at the invoice product level, at the product level, or at customer level. And you see here we've put in a description that will appear on the invoice. If you don't want to set up any of those values, you can just set up default sales tax code and sales nominal and the payment days, and that will just apply to every invoice. Just one point: when you connect to Xero, it's actually going to ask us for an authorization. But pretty soon we're going to change that and get partner status, so you can log on without doing this connection. So in order to push this invoice through, all we have to do is change the status to create invoice in accounts, like so. And when we run it through, it's going to push this into Xero and update here. This reference and tax point are going to be updated with the invoice number created in Xero. So if we look here, we can show all the invoices that are ready to go, and then select one of them. Typically you'd select them all, process this, and in this instance it's going to create Shipping Group Test Limited as the account in Xero. It's going to look through the products and create any products it needs to, and it's going to create the invoice in Xero for us with the appropriate account codes and so on set for us. So just let it finish. So you see there it's uploaded. These messages here are telling us what's happened, and now if we go into Xero and have a look, we can see that there's a new invoice. It will be a draft invoice. There it is, Shipping Group Test Limited. We can approve it, and we can have a look at it. And you'll see here it's created the account, it's used the product code and the description and the price and the VAT from the invoice product record. It's taken default account and tax rate. In this case we've actually calculated the tax slightly differently to Xero, so it's showing us the adjustment. Anyway, that invoice is all ready to go. we can just print the invoice, and it's as if we had typed it ourselves into Xero. So that's the basic software is pushing through customers with invoices and products through into Xero. You can also just see all your customers, for example, in CRM, and just push a couple of them through if you wanted to. That's uploading them into Xero. And similarly for products, you can show your products and push them through. So in summary, the software takes an invoice from CRM, pushes it through into Xero, and along the way it's pushing through any new customers and any new products. It's going to push through the nominal code or the account code and the tax rate from CRM, and it's going to bring you back here. You can see the invoice number from Xero has come back. You can also push through individual customers and products and suppliers if you wanted to, but basically the software does what it says on the tin, which is push through a invoice from CRM into Xero. There you have it. We have a companion product for billing, which you might want to look at, which helps you automate all your invoicing within CRM. And we also have connectors and various other products, such as credit check on UK and European companies and so on. So please have a look at our site at redware.com, and if you're interested in our Xero connector, it's available at a reasonable pay-as-you-go monthly price. Have a look at our website, and thank you for watching.